We're in beautiful Lone Pine, California on a crystal clear fall day. It's about 75 degrees, couldn't be better weather. And we're about to explore the Reward Mine. I've been hearing about it for years and cannot wait to see it. All right, here we are at the mine. There's the ghosty. Oh my goodness. You go down and then you... So cool.
Did you turn these on? Oh, they came on automatically.
I got these on.
And you can hear your thing rattle now.
Yeah. Look at, you can touch the rock. Oh my God. So cool. We got the roof off so we can see the ceiling. This is so neat. That's a loose shock mount that you hear rattling there. Definitely need to tighten that up when we get back from this trip. Here comes Thor. About a half mile in, it opens up into a fairly large area where there's plenty of room to turn around. Lots of offshoots you can back into.